In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a button, which when you click on it, is going to bring a pop-up. Now, let's look at this particular button. It says contact us. If I click on it, you see it brings us this pop-up, and I could decide to fill all of these. Let me just fill this field. Now, if I click and submit all of this, you see it's going to close the button. So now the button closes, the pop-up closes by itself. How do we do this? This is a client's website which I'm currently building. I'll come now to my Chrome browser. For some reason, when I try to load that on Chrome, it doesn't go. If I load that and I click on this button, it doesn't go. I don't know why it doesn't show me. I probably need to clean my cache. So how do we do that? First of all, we do that by going to our backend, the backend of our website. And mind you, for you to do this, you need Elementor Pro. You need Elementor Pro in order to achieve this. So come under templates, click on pop-ups. You must have Elementor Pro for this. I'll just delete this. I'll delete this particular one. I'll just trash it. And then click on add new pop-up. And then you can name it whatever. I'm just going to say contact pop-up. And then click on create template. Now it's going to take some time to load, and you may be prompted to connect your Elementor library to your Elementor account. So it brings me these templates. I can use any one of these templates. I'm going to use this particular one. I'm just going to click and insert it. I've already connected my Elementor library, and then it brings me these fields. I could change this. You can design this to be whatever on earth you want. But I want to do some configurations here. You could add fields, you could add more fields, you could remove some, you could change the color scheme, change the button color, change the hover color and all that. But that is not our point of focus today. Now, when it says actions after submit, I want to click here and I want to add another action, and it's going to be pop-up. So down there at the bottom. When you do that, when you select pop-up, you see this pop-up field appears here. I'll click on it, it's a drop-down, and I'm going to select the action which I want to perform after this. And I'm going to select open pop-up. So when this button is opened, then it's clicked, it should open this pop-up. And then, or you could, after submit, that's after submission, it should close pop-up rather. It should close pop-up. So it should close pop-up, because when you click on the button, it will open the pop-up. Then after submitting, this pop-up should be closed. So I'm going to put it as close pop-up, and it should not show again. I'm now going to publish this, and it's going to ask you to add conditions. We don't need to add any conditions because we are just going to put it in the back end of the button. I'll save and close. Now you can come to your page, and you can add it on any page. I already have some pages added, so I'll go to all pages, and I want to look for my contact page. This is my contact page. If I view it on the front end, you see it already has a contact form, but I just want to add something down which says contact us. I'll edit with Elementor. If you think I'm too fast, then please put this video on 0.75x speed. And then I'm just going to add a section here, add a flex box, add that container. I want to drag it up here. Now I want to add a button. I'll drag a button and put it there. This is a button. I'll drag it there, and I'll see contact us. So that's the button text. You can style it however you want. Typography, you can make this the weight to be 600. You can make the size to be bigger. Not very important, but I'll come back to the content. When you see link, I want to click on these dynamic tags and scroll down and look for pop-up. So when it is clicked, this is what will happen in pop-up. But what pop-up? Click on this spanner, and then we want to select action, open pop-up. So this opens the pop-up, but this particular one, after submission, closes the pop-up. Now let's just a pop-up. Now I want to select the pop-up. You can see all pop-ups, but that is not very practical. Our pop-up was named contact pop-up. So you search for it. This is it. Now it's loaded, and you can publish that. Now I want to open this on the new tab. If I should click on this now, you see this pop-up appears. And then if I insert my names, phone number, and email and click on send, it's going to close. Let me just try that. I hope I don't get an error because I've not configured SMTP servers on this website. So I've added all of this information. I'll just click on send, where it says your submission failed because of a server error. Your submission fails because of an error. Anyway, but you get the point. It works here, which is a website I'm building. Let me show you the back end of the website, that particular website. Here it is. That's the back end of that particular website to prove to you that it's work I'm actually doing. People get very, very skeptical on YouTube. So this is it. Under normal circumstances, it should close after submission, but you get the point. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Also share it with your friends. God bless you. Peace.